So tomorrow I'm gonna get vaccinated. I'm kind of really nervous already. I'm getting vaccinated, so make sure you pray for me. I just don't want to. It's just a simple needles. Who afraid of that? Nobody afraid of that. Yeah. I have something else to tell you. I have ordered this and this, the green screen and this light. It's called Softbox. Yeah, Softbox. Now I remember. The reason I'm vlogging because I am upgrading my gaming room again. As you can see, my gaming room here is normal, like nothing special here, just normal. You can see some mess there and some of the mess here. I record gaming video. I need green screen because I want to make my gaming video from this to this. I need Softbox because my lighting is terrible in my room. You don't have to worry about it. All of those will make sense soon. Wait, is this guy even sleeping? He was sleeping 5 minutes ago. Is he even sleeping? He is sleeping. But how? Why this way? Say something. Say whatever you want to say. Meow. Or meow. He don't care, he don't care. He just want to continue sleeping, so go ahead. Goodbye. Let me know if you want to see a photo shot with this dude. Maybe I can take a photo of him. Okay, okay. Boom. Look at him, how small he is. Now he grew up. Ouch. Phew. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. I got vaccinated. So this is the side that I got needle, and I don't even feel like it's hurt. No, nothing. Nothing is wrong. And this is the normal side. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about, baby.
The next morning.
Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. I haven't even washed my face yet. So you know what? This is the best time to vlog. Like early morning. There's no any background noises, which is I really like. Oh my god. I cannot hold my camera with this hand. That's what I'm talking about, baby. What? Who are you? I love you. I love you. So let's unbox this thing. Oh no, not you. This thing. Dad didn't tell me. I think this is the light. What do you think? Oh no, don't be afraid. It's fine. Don't be afraid. It's okay. It's okay. Sir, would you leave me alone? Why are you buying those stuff? Why? What's inside? Oh, it's a light. It's a light. It's a light. Who remember playing this when we was 9 years old? This is kind of funny, you know. My mom always told me that, boy, you're wasting a lot of money for the YouTube. Did you even earn anything from YouTube? Why? Forget it. I'm just doing this because I love it. Ooh. I literally have no idea how to, and they didn't give me anything, any paper. I wish I don't break anything. Oh my god, this thing is huge, bro. Oh shoot. You know what? I try like 30 minutes. I just don't know how to do this. So all of this still there. I just finished this, but that's a one problem. You know what is the problem? If you look at this thing here, see that? Okay, this is kind of square. This doesn't fit my plug, so maybe tomorrow I have to get the adapter. Remember? Last night I told you that I'm having a problem, so I get an adapter for my light. Oh baby, look at this! Oh no, oh my god, you can't even see me, but here you can. Whoa, this softbox is amazing, bro. Let's try to turn that on. Ooh, it's look much cooler than before. If I make gaming video, maybe I can just put it right there and just sit here. I love it. I don't want to set this up in here because I don't have to put my green screen on this. I have to put my green screen on that wall. To make a gaming video, I have to get really good green screen, so I don't care. As I said, from this corner to that corner, so all of this green screen, come on, yeah, that one, that green screen will be on this wall. So all of this, let's remove it. Ta-da! Took me too much time because I'm alone. Oh my god. Whew, green screen. I'm watching Squid Game, and let me tell you, you see all of this mess here? All of this mess, because this kind of product, I don't like it. Like, because I just put on my chair. So I got this stuff, this thing, like that. Yeah, and then I'll just put that on top of this. What do you think? Is it a good idea? Maybe. Let's go, baby. We good. All of those mess gone, and look at this. Oh, sorry. I haven't. Wait, I'll be back. Okay, here we go. Da-da-da-da. Look, everything's clean already. All in one. Everything on my table. And there's a Fortnite going on. I'm about to start right now. Click it, and boom. Okay, everything's done. You might be asking, like, what did you even upgrade? There's nothing changed. Can you see my background? How do I look like? Of course, so bad. Look at two of those LED lights. I look so bad, yeah? For now, I will not use a softbox. I will just use my normal light. Well, now we got my light. Not a softbox, just normal light with my LED. How's it? Is it cool? Yeah, it look cool, right? I mean, it's better than normal light and LED. So this is one of the reasons that I get softbox. It's not even that much expensive, but around 70 or 80 MYR you can get it. Yeah, Malaysia ringgit. If you learned something from this video, maybe consider like and subscribe. Okay, up to you. I don't want to tell you. I'll see you in the next one. And it's raining. Background is really bad. I'm out.
All I wanna do is live it up with the homies. Everybody really talking as if they know me, but I guess I gotta face it. I'm so tired of